Hello, dear viewers. This is your English news here on ERi-TV. It's exactly 10:30 p.m. on Eritrea's local time from our headquarters at Asara with your domestic and international news. I am Zahra Badouri, but heads up with your major headlines for this broadcast. Asara Technical School graduates 143 students. Commendable progress in students' summer work program. Slovakia blocks EU's new Russian sanctions. Britain-Syria reestablishes diplomatic ties. Your reports in brief. Asara Technical School yesterday graduated about 143 students, including 61 female students who completed 2 years of theoretical and practical training in auto mechanics, construction, woodwork, electronics and electricity. Mr. Semere Worede, director of these schools, stated that the Asara Technical School is graduating students for the 64th time and that in the 70 years since its establishment, it has graduated over 10,000 students. Mr. Semere noted that the school, with substantial investment from the government and equipped with modern teaching facilities, and is playing a significant role in producing youth equipped with the necessary professional skills to contribute to the nation-building process. Mr. Tesfai Siyum, Director General of the Technical and Vocational Education at the Ministry of Education, called on the graduatees to apply the training they received towards the implementation of national development programs. A representative of the graduates expressed their commitment to making meaningful contributions in their future workplaces by applying the knowledge and skill acquired during their training. At the event, awards were presented to outstanding students and certificates of recognition were given to teachers and members of the parent committees. Since its establishment, Asara Technical School has graduated about 10,300 students so far. On your final domestic, Mr. Fanus Gadem, coordinator of the Students' Summer Work Program at the Ministry of Educational Branch in the southern region, reported that over the past 10 years, development programs worth over 91 million nakfa have been implemented through the program. Mr. Fanus stated that from 2015 to the year 2024, around 34,000 students participated in the program, contributing to commendable efforts in constructing and renovating terraces and water diversion schemes, cultivating land, planting tree seedlings, and renovating roads. He added that out of the more than 938,000 tree seedlings planted over the past 10 years, a significant number are in good condition. Mr. Fanus also emphasized that the program plays an important role in installing work ethics, discipline, and nationalism, as well as encouraging knowledge sharing among students. The Students' Summer Work Program is a national initiative that began in the year 1994. Stay tuned for your global up next. And on your news on the international line, Slovakia has blocked the EU's 18th round of sanctions targeting Russia for the second time due to the concerns about the planned phase-out of Russian energy, Slovakian media has reported, citing the foreign ministry. According to TASR news agency, Bratislava voted the package on Friday during a vote by the EU's Committee of Permanent Representatives. The ministry said Slovakia will continue to oppose the package until it receives firm guarantees from Brussels that the phase-out will not harm its economy. The dispute centers on the European Commission's Repower EU plan, which aims to eliminate Russian energy imports by 2028. The plan is being discussed alongside the new sanctions package targeting Russia's energy and financial sectors. However, the Slovakian Prime Minister Robert Fico emphasized emphasized that his government will oppose this new sanction if he is not provided with guaranteed energy supply. With this, the Slovakian parliament made a decision call on June 8th against any harmful measures being taken towards his country from the EU. On your final report, Syria and Britain officially renewed diplomatic relations on Saturday, marked by British Foreign Minister David Lemmy's visit to Damascus, according to official statements released by both sides. Syria's Foreign Affairs authorities said in a statement that during the visit, the British official extended a formal invitation to Syrian Foreign Affairs Chief Asad al-Shaybani to visit London. The statement noted that the two sides reached an agreement to work on reopening the Syrian embassy in London and to establish a Syrian-British Economic Council. Lemmy reaffirmed Britain's commitment to supporting Syria's agriculture and educational sector. According to the British government, however, Prime Minister Lemmy visited underscores Britain's intent to support Syria in rebuilding its economy and ensuring an inclusive political transition. During the visit, Prime Minister Lemmy announced a €94.5 million aid package to provide humanitarian relief, support education and livelihoods inside Syria, and assist countries hosting Syria's refugees. The British Foreign Secretary reiterated his country's aim to bolster both regional and domestic security and tackle irregular migration. Prime Minister Lemmy also held a meeting with Syria's interim leader, Ahmed al-Sharar. Dear viewers, that is all for your reports. Until we are back with some more news, stay and enjoy the rest of our programs. Until then, these are a recap of your today's Heads Up major headlines. Asara Technical School graduates 143 students. Commendable progress in student summer work program. Slovakia blocks EU's new Russian sanctions. Britain and Syria re-establish diplomatic ties. Dear viewers, do stay tuned and update yourself with some more news here on ERi-TV. That is all for now. Thanks for watching.